This one right here is the co-star. The star is fire. Okay, so we're going to go in with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, which I have been loving. So next we're going to go in with the M.A.C Studio Radiance Serum Powered Foundation in NW55. And when placing on my foundation, I like to take the excess that's on the brush and do my forehead with that. So this foundation left my skin very moisturized, very radiant, very dewy. I was just amazed at the finish of this foundation. Next, I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Born This Way Sculpting Concealer in Chai. Next, I want to go in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Butterscotch, just to brighten up my under eye a little bit. Now to set my highlight, I'm going in with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, one of my favorites. Next, I'm going to go in with this Bobbi Brown foundation stick in Espresso. Now I'm going to take my foundation brush and just kind of blend everything together so that it is more so seamless. So next I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Putty blush in Bora. So this blush is a pretty pink. And I had picked up this blush when I had did the e.l.f. foundation review, but I used the liquid blushes for that. And I did pick up the wrong brush. I would pretty much use either a brush that is flat or a sponge, but this was the closest thing to me. It still came out. I wanted a very light, soft pink color for my cheeks. To set this blush, I'm going to go in with a old Juvia's Place palette. I think this one is the Deuce by Juvia's. And it has two pretty pinks that I mixed together to set my blush. Now I'm going to go in with the Essence Lash Without Limits mascara. I love this mascara for my bottom lashes. Now to prime my lips, I'm going in with an OG, the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. And I'm just going to put it down as a base before going into my lip products. Now we're going into the star of the show, the Ryan Destiny MAC Lip Kit. So of course, with this kit, I'm going to start off with the liner, which is Chestnut by MAC, which is a beautiful warm brown color. Now I'm going to go in with the lipstick from the kit, which is Faux, which is a really pretty pink color. And to set my face, I had to go in with the e.l.f. Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray. I almost forgot. And to highlight, I pulled out an OG MAC Hyper Real Glow highlight palette. And I'm going to use this on my cheeks. And lastly, of course, we have to go in with the lip glass from the kit, which is called Nymphette. And this is a pretty pink, golden, iridescent lip gloss. So since this foundation was so radiant and moisturizing, I'm just going to go back over my face and set with all my powders. The first thing I did was my blush brush and just went over my blush. Now I'm going over my contour, and I'm going to also go in with my pressed powder, which is the Born This Way Too Faced setting powder. So this look is coming together, and I am starting to feel myself a little bit. You see me? All right, you guys. I'm super excited because I got it. The Ryan Destiny Lip Kit. I was so excited to get this. I can't even tell you. Like, look. 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 I was so excited for this lip kit. MAC did come out with 3 lip kits, but this one was that chocolate girl friendly. So I knew it was going to be a banger. And as I was waiting to receive my kit via mail, I seen that M.A.C came out with the Studio Radiance with a pump. Now, I got a whole lot of M.A.C foundation. Like, a lot of them. But I'm like, let me get this to try this. And this might take the place of that e.l.f. because I've been using an e.l.f. foundation every day faithfully. But this right here, it's nice. So I got the foundation in NW55. I did the online match kit. It said NW50, but they didn't have 50, so I grabbed the 55, and I actually really like it. It came out really nice, and as you can see, because I'll put in here how moisturized and dewy my face looked. But this one right here is the co-star. The star is fire. Like this right here. It retails for $52. I got mine from Ulta online with a coupon. I paid like $47. I got like $5 off. And in the kit, it comes with the infamous M.A.C Chestnut Lip Pencil. For all my girls of color, if you know, you know. Because this is our go-to. It also comes with the lipstick, which this is Faux. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a pretty mauvey pink color. And it also comes with a M.A.C lip gloss. This is Nymphette. I like the name. Nymphette. And it is like a, I want to say like a mauvey pink iridescent color. Like, and me personally, I don't really care for lip gloss. Maybe because I naturally have dark lips. I don't know. But this is actually pretty, okay? It's actually giving, okay? And it kind of melts everything together. But I'm good with just the two of these. But the kit is fire. Fire, okay? I'm going to bring some of that color back. Packaging. So in the packaging, it also comes with this cute little Ryan Destiny card. It comes with the list of products as well. So I'm feeling this right now. This M.A.C foundation might be my new everyday. And this lip combo, you're going to get tired of. Because I'm going to wear it faithfully. This is so brown skin girl friendly. It's giving a nice little beat, you know. Alright, so getting the kit is definitely worth the bang for the buck, because if you buy the products individually, it's going to add up to a lot more. So my personal review is I love the kit, and I actually love the foundation as well. They might even take me away from NARS, because NARS is my favorite foundation. But I just wanted to come and share with you guys, and I will see you in the next video.